agencies. A specialized robotic arm precisely lifts the heavy carbon ceramic matrix rotor blank, placing it onto a high-temperature.
The billet aluminum blocks undergo a thermal scan, ensuring uniform temperature stabilization.
The optical sensors confirm the diversion for process A. Good.
Monitor the temperature spike at the furnaces. Brake system integration. The aluminum caliper preforms are placed inside a tempering oven for a controlled heat cycling process designed to relieve internal stresses. A specialized probe descends into the piston bore, performing a surface roughness and dimensional check. It verifies.
The integration process involves mounting carbon ceramic rotors and calipers. A miniature robotic tool deburrs the
A specialized robotic press precisely inserts the prepared aluminum pistons along with their high-temperature seals.
The newly assembled Giallo Modena caliper is connected to a high-pressure pump, simulating operational stress.
We are now entering the braking system integration bay. Here, the finished carbon ceramic rotors
As the UV light scans the seals, the dark surface confirms zero fluid escape. The technician verifies
The robotic jig simulates a full brake application, pressing the pads against the carbon ceramic matrix rotors.
The robotic arm precisely positions the forged alloy wheel over the carbon ceramic rotor and Giallo Modena caliper.
The finish on the Giallo Modena caliper meets all specifications for Process B.
Confirmed. Final clearance granted.
A technician carefully applies a thin, transparent, protective film over the exposed Giallo Modena caliper.
The 296 GTB's carbon ceramic brakes, finished in vibrant Giallo Modena, represent...
As you can see, the multi-piston design works in perfect harmony with the carbon ceramic rotors, ensuring unmatched performance on the track and the road.
As the Ferrari enters the corner, the driver applies maximum braking force. The integrated carbon ceramic system demonstrates. In super slow motion, the 296 GTB's carbon ceramic system is tested under extreme load.
The Ferrari 296 GTB demonstrates the superior performance of the integrated braking system, absorbing massive energy under the most demanding scenarios.
The integrated brake system, featuring these Giallo Modena calipers, ensures precise, fade-free braking and
We pushed the braking points further back today. The calipers are handling the heat beautifully.
Good, the data confirms the stability under load.
Congratulations on your new 296 GTB.
Thank you, it's absolutely stunning.
The vibrant Giallo Modena caliper act as a visual signifier of the vehicle's performance pedigree.
The vibrant Giallo Modena calipers, visible through the spokes, highlight the successful aesthetic integration of
The flawless performance is thanks to the perfectly integrated braking system. These Giallo Modena calipers provide